In this video, I'll detail how to turn vibration off on your iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and it vibrates and this annoys you but you want to turn this off permanently, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if I don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn vibration off on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. Then on the settings page, scroll down, click on sound and haptics. Then locate haptics and click on that. Then once you located haptics and you click on it, you should see haptics for ringtone and alert. Then come down here and select never play. Haptic will not play when iPhone rings or receive an alert. Then hit the back button. Again, you just come back here, click on ringtone, and here click on haptics under ringtone. Then if you have haptics selected, just scroll down here and select none. Then hit the back button. That's all you need to do. And when next you have an incoming calls on your iPhone, this is going to disable vibration. So that is basically how to turn vibration off on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.